Hi, this is MADUABUM LAW FIRM LLC YouTube channel, and today we're breaking down what really happens when your spouse has a criminal history and how it can affect your green card case. Can you still get a green card if your spouse has a criminal record? This is one of the most stressful questions couples ask, and the answer might surprise you. Because the truth is, it's not always a deal breaker, but it can quickly become one if you don't handle it the right way. If you're in love, married, and planning your future together, this is something you need to understand before filing anything. Let's clear up a major misconception. Just because your spouse has a criminal record does not automatically mean you'll be denied a green card. In most marriage-based cases, immigration looks at both people, but your eligibility is not automatically destroyed by your spouse's past. However, and this is important, immigration will run background checks on both of you, and certain crimes can raise serious red flags. Here's where things get serious. There are specific types of crimes that can impact your case, especially if your spouse is the U.S. citizen sponsoring you. For example, crimes involving abuse or offenses against minors can actually prevent someone from sponsoring a spouse altogether. Other serious offenses may trigger deeper investigation or delays. Now, if you, the applicant, have a criminal record, that's a different situation. Some crimes can make you inadmissible, meaning you may not qualify for a green card at all. But here's the key. Not all crimes are treated the same. Minor offenses might still be forgiven or waived. Serious crimes? Much harder and sometimes impossible to overcome. So what does immigration actually look at? They're asking questions like, what was the crime? How long ago did it happen? Was there a conviction? Was it a one-time mistake or a pattern? Because immigration law is not just about punishment, it's about risk and credibility. And here's the truth most people don't hear. Even if your case is technically allowed, it can still be denied based on discretion. A lot of couples make one critical mistake. They assume, we'll just explain it at the interview. That's risky because once you file incorrectly, you may trigger delays, denials, or even removal proceedings in some cases. This is where strategy matters. There may be options like legal waivers, proper documentation of the case, strong evidence of rehabilitation, and careful case preparation from the start. But these only work when done correctly. If your spouse has a criminal record and you're thinking about filing for a green card, don't guess your way through it. At MADUABUM LAW FIRM LLC, we help couples navigate complex immigration situations, especially when there are red flags involved. Call us today at 973-732-1490. Let's review your case before you file so you don't risk your future together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real immigration insights.